Hi everybody, it's Jenny from the Missouri Star Quote Company, and I am here today with my darling husband Ron
And
the
some of our
family.
children.
Everybody
Don't forget
else.
us, Mom. This is Natalie and Misty,
They
Jacob,
know them.
Jay and Josh, and then we have Sarah here and Alan in the background.
there's other kids too.
There are.
Not just us.
There are, but they don't live right here, and they
No,
couldn't
they
get
don't.
here by 10 o'clock this morning. So we have some really, really exciting news for you. So when Ron was a young man, he served a mission for our church for 2 years, and we have always wanted to do that as a couple. And guess what? The time has come, and we would like to serve mission. And so we've been called to serve humanitarian service mission in Africa West area. And so we're super excited about that.
There's a lot of area in Africa.
There is.
Turns
a
out
lot
when you
of
get out
area.
that globe, there's a lot.
I might even get to teach a little sewing over there. I'm just saying it could
Yeah,
happen.
you gotta take a sewing.
It could happen. Anyway, I just want to let you know that we're going to be leaving after Birthday Bash in the fall. And we'll be gone
Last
for
chance
2
this
years.
year. So come to birthday.
Go,
Okay,
go.
no,
We
it's
will be
not
back.
the last
No,
Yeah,
not
not
last.
last.
Okay, yeah,
We
you're
will
right.
be back.
So this is what
May
you
she
gotta
rest in
remember.
peace.
I'm not dying. I'm just gonna be gone for a little while, right? And we have everything covered while you're gone. Natalie and Misty, we have things planned. We have contributors coming in. You guys probably won't even miss me. I mean, be real about it. Anyway, the children probably won't for sure.
Yeah, no, we're gonna miss you. We'll miss you.
We'll miss
Anyway,
Dad's chocolate oatmeal cake more than.
We just,
Whoa.
there we go, that oatmeal cake is key. So we just wanted to let you know that what's happening, and we'd love you to follow along as we take this journey, and we hope that you celebrate this joy with us as we do. We're super excited about it, and we're gonna be in contact all the time. So we'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.
See ya.
Bye.